How to fix WhatsApp business images and videos not showing in gallery on any Android phone. First, open settings and then click apps, and now apps again, and here we'll find WhatsApp business, and then go to permissions, allow storage here, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to WhatsApp business and then click these 3 points here, and now click settings and then click shots here, and here we'll find it media visibility. We'll find it like that. All you need to do, just click on it and enable it, and now your problem have fixed will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.